Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today, we'll start our Mandarin lessons in a very easy and funny way. Firstly, we'll learn some basic alphabet. In Chinese, we call them Pinyin. The first letter, it looks like the English letter A. The pronunciation for that is A, A, A. What you need to do is just open your mouth. Ah, ah. Let me hear your voice. Well done. The second letter looks like the English letter O. The pronunciation for that. O, O, O. It's your turn. Well done. The third one looks like the English letter E. The pronunciation for this pinyin should be E, E, E. Please have a try. Very good. Next one is very easy. In English, it's the letter I, but we pronounce this pinyin in this way. E, E, E. Let me see your beautiful teeth. E. Have a try, please. Very good. Following with this one is a letter U. In Chinese, we say that in U, U, U. Isn't it very easy? Let me hear your voice. Very good. The last one, we can say there are two very cute little dots above the pinyin U. This pronunciation cannot be found in English. Please listen carefully. Yu, Yu, Yu. If you want to pronounce this pinyin correctly, you can imagine you are do whistle. Use this shape and try to pronounce it. Yu, Yu, Yu. I know it is a little bit difficult for you, but please have a try. Well done. Brilliant. I hope you enjoyed all the lessons for today. I will see you next time. 再见。